Welcome! Today we are learning basic English words that start with the letter R. You will see the Spanish translation, a simple definition, useful collocations, and easy examples to help you remember them. Let's start! Rabbit, a small animal with long ears. The rabbit runs fast in the garden. Rain, water that falls from the sky. The rain makes the streets very wet. Red, a bright color like blood or fire. He buys a red sports car with his savings. River, a long stream of water on land. The river goes through the green forest. Riverbank, land beside a river. We sit on the riverbank to eat lunch. Room, a part of a house with walls. My room has a small bed and window. Rock, a hard piece of the earth. The rock is very big near the road. Road, a place where cars go. The road is long and full of cars. Run, to move fast with your legs. The children run in the park every day. Run, to control, manage, or be responsible for a business, organization, or activity. She runs a small restaurant in the city. Rice, small white food from a plant. She eats rice with chicken for lunch. Raincoat, a coat for rainy days. The boy wears a raincoat in the storm. Ring, a small circle you wear. The gold ring is on her finger now. Rose, a beautiful flower with petals. The red rose grows in the garden. Rose is a type of flower. It can be red, pink, yellow, or white. People give roses to show love or friendship. Pink is a color. It is light red, like some roses or candy. You can see pink in clothes, toys, or flowers. Ruler, a tool for measuring lines. I use a ruler to draw a straight line. The students measured the line with a ruler. Radio, a machine that plays music. The radio is on in the kitchen today. Roof, the top cover of a house. The roof is red and strong against rain. Rooftop, the top surface of a building that can sometimes be used as a space for activities. They had dinner at a rooftop restaurant with a beautiful view. Rope, a strong, thick cord. The sailor uses a rope to tie the boat at the port. She unties the rope from the box. He makes a knot in the rope. The children pull the rope in a game. Rail, a metal bar for support. She holds the rail when she goes down. Rainy with much rain in the sky. It is a rainy day with gray clouds. Round, shaped like a circle. The round table is in the dining room. Restaurant, a place to buy and eat food. They go to a restaurant for dinner tonight. Right, opposite of left or true, turn right at the street with the school. Right, something that is true or accurate. You gave the right answer in the math test. Rainforest, a hot forest with much rain. The rainforest is full of green animals and trees. Rubber, something to erase pencil. She uses a rubber to clean the paper. She wore rubber boots because the ground was muddy. She used a rubber band to hold the papers together. She uses a resistance band for leg exercises at home. Reading, the action of looking at words. Reading books makes me happy every night. Reading helps improve your vocabulary. Roommate, a person who shares your room. My roommate is very friendly and tidy. Report, inform, a written description of facts. She writes a report about the science project. He showed his school report to his parents after class. Research, study to find new facts. The students do research for their history work. Result, the answer or effect of something. The result of the test is very good. Review, looking again to check or study. I review my notes before the math exam. Rule, something that tells what to do. The school rule says we must be quiet. Rub, to move something against another. He rubs his hands because they are cold. Rug, a piece of fabric on the floor. The rug in the living room is soft. A rug is a small, movable carpet you can put in your living room or bedroom. For example, the soft rug is in front of the sofa. A carpet is a large floor covering that often goes wall to wall in a room. For example, the bedroom has a blue carpet that covers all the floor. A doormat is a small mat placed at the entrance to clean shoes before entering. For example, please wipe your shoes on the doormat before coming inside. A mat is a general small pad used for exercise, kitchen, or bathroom. For example, she does yoga every morning on a red mat. Recipe, instructions to cook food. She follows a recipe to make chocolate cake. Read, to look at words and understand. She likes to read books every afternoon. Ride, to sit and control a bike or horse. They ride their bikes to school each morning. Raise, to move something to a higher place. He raises his hand to answer the question. They raise the flag during the ceremony. Raise, to bring something or someone to a higher level, amount, or position, including bringing up children or increasing something. They raised 3 children in a small town. The company raised its prices last year. Reach, to arrive at or touch something. I reach the book on the high shelf. After hours of climbing, they finally reached the top of the mountain. She worked hard to reach her goal of becoming a doctor. The 2 companies reached an agreement after several meetings. Rest, to stop and relax. The workers rest in their truck at noon. Return, to go back to a place. We return home after the long trip. Return, to give something back to the person or place it came from. She returned the book to the library. Remember, to keep something in your mind. I remember her name from last year. Reply, to answer with words. She replies to the teacher with a smile. Remove, to take something away. Please remove your shoes before entering the house. Remove, to get rid of something. The dentist removes the tooth carefully. Ready? Prepared for something? E is ready to go to school now. Rich, having much money or resources. The rich man lives in a big house. Real, true, and not fake. This is a real diamond, not a toy. Rough, not smooth or hard. The rough wall hurts my hand when I touch. Regular, usual, or normal. He goes to school at regular times. Rare, not happening often. It is rare to see snow in this town. Rude, not polite or kind. It is rude to talk with your mouth full. Responsible, careful, and doing duties well. She is responsible and always does her homework. Racing, the sport of going very fast. He loves car racing and watches it on TV. A race is one event, but racing is the sport in general. He wins the car race today, but he has loved car racing since he was a child. Racket, a tool for hitting the ball. She buys a new tennis racket for the game. Rails, long metal bars for trains or support. The train runs on the rails every morning. Railway, the system of trains and tracks. The railway connects the small town to the city. Rainbow, colors in the sky after rain. A rainbow appears after the storm in the afternoon. Rat, a small gray animal like a mouse. The rat runs quickly into the dark hole. The sewer rat ran into a dark tunnel. Raven, a large black bird. A raven sits on the old tree branch. Ray, a line of light or energy. A ray of sunlight enters through the window. Lightning, a sudden flash of electricity in the sky during a storm. The lightning strikes the tree during the storm. Laser beam, a narrow focused beam of light produced by a laser, used in science, technology, and medical tools. The scientist used a laser beam to cut through the metal. Rebound, when the ball bounces back after hitting something, he gets the rebound and passes the ball to his teammate. Receipt, a paper that shows payment. She keeps the receipt after buying new shoes. Reception desk, the main desk in a hotel or office. He asks for his room key at the reception desk. Record, music, or information kept for the future. She listens to her favorite record on the player. Rectangle, a shape with 4 sides and right angles. The table is in the shape of a rectangle. Rectangular, shaped like a rectangle. The room has a big rectangular window. Referee, the person who controls a game. The referee blows the whistle during the match. Refrigerator, a machine that keeps food cold. The refrigerator is full of fruits and milk. A fridge is a common short word for refrigerator. It keeps food and drinks cold at home. People use it every day to store milk, fruits, and leftovers. Rocket, a vehicle that flies into space. The rocket goes into space with great speed. Rooster, a male chicken. The rooster crows loudly every morning. We woke up to the sound of a crowing rooster at sunrise. Root, the part of a plant under the ground. The tree has a very strong root system. The tree has strong roots under the ground, a thick trunk in the middle, and many branches with green leaves. Great job! Now you know many basic English words starting with R. Keep practicing and try to use these words in your daily life. See you in the next video.